cleanser, and on this side, I'll just be using my hands. So, just like Ate Hanilin said, this device basically borrows the concept of a toothbrush. So, right here, you'll see that it's taking a little while to remove, right? So I'll be using this device naman on the other side. So just like, using the toothbrush, it's already 2023. We don't really use our fingers anymore to wash our teeth or to brush our teeth, right? Because we know that using a toothbrush is just so much more effective. So I'm just gonna turn this on, and you'll see how effective it is. Almost instantly, matatanggal na yung liquid lipstick. Honestly, using this every single day, you'll definitely see the results immediately. You'll also feel the results immediately. You'll feel that your face is so tight, so much more cleaner, and it will definitely declog your skin, which causes all the blemishes in it. And yeah, back to you, Ante.
Yes, I'm doing it now. Malapit na matapos yung 2 minutes, and I'm just enjoying it now. It's like having your facial. But the best thing is with every use, you enjoy 7 skincare benefits that amplify over time. So ano ba yun? Radiance, more purified skin, minimize appearance of pores, and that's the reason why in the Philippines, mas known to as the pore minimizer. And you see instant results now right away. I'm done, the gadget automatically stops after 2 minutes, and look at all those dirt, impurities, makeup, single step only. I did not use any makeup remover, and ganun lang siya ka-simple. So these days, no excuse na not to have that youthful glowing skin, because you can do this, no? Even in the shower, kasi waterproof siya. So, pag tamad, wala nang excuse din. We all have 2 minutes to spare, no? So, for moms like me, busy moms like me, this is really a saver, talaga lifesaver. So, look at my half-face results na after using. I've been using this for many years na, but meron siyang instant lift, may contour din. It's a cleansing device, but it gives you the firming effect. The laugh line here is a bit diminished. This one is higher cheekbones, and yan. So I encourage you to experience this for yourselves. This is definitely the easiest way to self-care. Back to you, Ryan.
Wow! Thank you! Ang ating part na. Diba? Grabe, instant. Kahit ulit-ulitin yung gamitin yan, each time you use it, you'll really see. There's really a difference each time if you do it half face. That's not all. We have a second product, collagen naman. Baka sabihin nyo, naku, collagen? Ang dami-daming collagen. Ang daming ang doktor, ayaw dyan. Mga derma nagsasabi, hindi yan effective. Totoo yan. Hindi talaga effective ang collagen.